I'm really curious to know, like, what does your process look like to just get in the door with these business owners to even have these conversations?
So the one thing that I started doing that has really opened doors for me is I'm licensed with the state of Colorado for health insurance. And so a lot of what happens a lot is people have commercial businesses that maybe they're transitioning out of, they're having to lay off employees, so they lose their group insurance. Or they're with like Humana just pulled out of Colorado for group. So that opened the door for lots of opportunity for business owners for health insurance. And then when they know that I'm doing property and casualty and commercial insurance, opens the door for me. So I look at any way that I can have a conversation with somebody about whatever it is that's most important to them. And so for me, I'm like a Dan Rather. I mean, I can strike up a conversation with the janitor or a CEO of a company because I'm genuine in my interest in them. It's not for my own selfish gain. If people see right through that. But when you're actually interested in somebody's welfare, they feel that, they experience that, and they trust you for it. And that is so lacking in every area of sales in this country. It's just people trying to make a buck and try to get somebody to say yes to them. But they don't know their industry. They don't know what the pain points are for their client. And it takes some diligence, but it takes thinking that a lot of people just kind of don't do because people don't read a lot and they don't study and they just watch videos on, and I'm guilty of that as much as anybody. But
I do that too.
But learning the industry and learning that particular business owner or homeowner's pain points and what their hazards are, it's a really easy way of just earning trust and getting their business.
Interesting. Yeah, because I know a lot of people are nervous about getting into commercial lines because there's a lot they don't know,
Sure.
Right? Like you were talking about, you're well-versed in life insurance, Medicare, P&C, commercial, financial advisory. I mean, you've got the gamut, right? Where most people don't.